Minute? Yeah.
Check your food. It was really clean right until then, so do it again.
Or I just shielded myself.
Fine.
Try on that one.
Knockback. Missiles.
Gonna have to dodge a single missile.
Mega beam. Killer thing. Aim on. Nice work. DPS. Finish it off, please. Good work.
Not using chain.
It's on Lycona. I think it's Biblio next. After this. And it's gonna skip. Don't use your chain. Get 2 groups. So we're gonna get Chariot. Air Force is copied. This is different to the other ones. Missiles. Missiles, and then look at ads. Missiles. Good work, Ali.
Bombs.
Correct the
Yep.
window.
No?
Tank Buster back in the center. Good work. Whatever the next one is, and then we're gonna get Ultros. After this, we're gonna get Ultros. Ink.
I'll star for this.
Tentacles. Ultros will spawn here. Stay here. Stay close. Give it to run together.
I think that chain was
Now?
away.
Now. It's okay, Kim, you don't need to tell us.
Save pots.
Save pots. We're gonna get diffusion, diffractus, I mean, which they will get, and then we're gonna get aids. Aids coming up. Remember to sprint at the end of the cast. And look at your debuffs. Wait.
I won't move after this tiger, you can swap to me. Cool, nice work. I will swap to Venom.
I already have it.
Pot.
Alright.
It's okay, it's okay. Bring it back.
Sorry,
I kind of get it off of me. I'll tell you when. 5, 4, 3, now. Windy's next. I got this one. Pots are up.
So Tiger's close on aggro. Just a heads up.
Wendy
6,
take it.
5, 4, 3. Take it, Wendy. Awesome.
Amon, can you take it off of Windy? Stay,
Pressure.
yeah, stay close.
Can you take it now, hang on.
Yeah.
This should be all we need.
Yeah, there we go.
That keeps so wiggle around. Mega beam coming up. Mega beam. Play it center. Bait it. Hop sprint now. And edges go. Stop. Go to the edges, corners, I mean. And then stop and stay there. Stay there. Do not move until the green has absolutely disappeared. Back in, Tank Buster and Limit Break. If you haven't used your pots, use it now.
More modules after LB.
You get this one?
Yep.
Star's down. It will take a while, but it's down.
Air Force, Chariot. Stop. Keep attacking though. I got this one. We're gonna get ads, no missiles, just ads. Easy peasy.
Is this the one with Ultra at the beginning?
No,
No, planes.
this is your one.
Bombs.
Yeah. North?
North, south, sorry.
Tank Buster?
Just make it a habit of bringing them to the center. Yeah, good. You get the next diffractive. I have Veil up.
Yep, just came up.
Star's down again. Will be a bit, but don't worry.
It's gonna be a skip or a load. I can't remember which. Skip.
Skip,
Biblio, get
push
into
back,
groups.
load,
Get into
push back.
groups.
So we need to
Sprint.
stop during this.
Hop sprint. Move. And then stop. Stay stopped. We won't have limit break for the big Biblio. That's fine. Just focus on it, everyone.
Venom, do you want me to IR the Biblio?
Yes, go hard.
Okay, I'll save it.
Run, Biblio. There's gonna be a lot of AoEs as well. Adel
Yeah.
the Guardian.
I don't have
Sentry
that.
Tiger?
Triple row.
Battle's up, you should hit both of these.
I'm spreading for this one.
I'll get the next reprisal.
Roll in every 10 seconds.
Kill the Biblio.
Venom going up.
Pray, Lacona.
Chain on the boss?
Focus.
Pressure.
If it's skip, it's knockback after this. If it's skip, it's going to be knockback. Be inside the boss, but goes to the south, okay? Don't be too... Yeah, that's good.
Into his hitboxes you can get for it. I've got this one as well.
I'm using it on you, Amon.
30 seconds on that shit.
DPS come back in, and there's going to be green on the ground. Hear me, you're north
And
at
when
1.
you're going to 2, and 1, 2.
Yeah.
Stop.
I know, yeah.
Stop.
It's okay. DPS, remember to go to your corners. Do not pop sprint yet. Pop sprint as soon as you Put your greens down and watch the missiles coming back in. Good work.
Well done.
AoE heals.
Facing it north.
Parley.
Yeah,
Let's go
regional,
pray.
okay.
Yeah.
Focus up. I think the next one might be a load Ultros. I'm gonna be at number 2 for this. I got this one.
Pots are up.
Thank you. Skipping into Ultros.
Ink.
Oh shit.
You're
It's okay.
Yeah,
Stack in, stack. Everyone's set.
I might be a bit late on mine, just be careful. No, we're okay.
In the move, Kirby, you're not getting this one.
Yep.
DPS get spread out on the corners. Furthest one name on.
Yep.
Do not come into it quickly, DPS. Watch the bombs. You can come in. Come in for heals. So be careful of the ray.
Bolden.
You get the next diffractor.
Yep. Oh, I can't, but I'm gonna sprint for it.
Okay.
I threw a battle.
Oh, well, fucking no damage then.
Burn. We'll probably get a next one.
Ultros,
maybe Ultros at D or C, I can't remember which.
Kill him as normal.
Other side.
Yeah, I got him.
Just kill him
Back
as
into the
normal.
center, everyone stack in the center. Get ready to pop sprint.
Throw me to LB.
No.
he's
Stack in the
doing
center. Okay, move now to a corner, careful of the missiles. Watch the missiles. And the
Remember,
missiles
there's gonna be a green.
missiles will come back. There's missiles on from the other side.
Watch the green. Yep.
Gotta get Ultros, guys.
Yes, please. It's okay.
Raising,
Finish it off.
raising.
Limit break.
Reprisal.
Nice.
Don't congrats yet. Don't make
Hey,
my
nice.
mistake. Oh my god.
First
Hey!
Final.
First try.
First try. Nice one, guys. Wow, we cleared that in like 2 minutes.
Oh. Good
Damn,
work,
there
everyone.
it is. There it is.
Timing and healing. Ooh.